They're erecting the light tower. Look at that. We're doing light operations. I got my friend Eric here. Say hi, Eric. Engine 2 is doing their light ops. You can see it moving around up there. He's got the stick. And that thing's moving around. Chavez.
Oh yeah.
Say hi. Say hi to the world.
Hello world.
There you go. They get their scene lighting on. This is the pump panel. Hey, there's the light tower.
All of them working?
10-4.
Alright.
Look at that. Dude, I gotta try that out.
It's actually really bright. At nighttime, those lights are really bright.
Like really bright. The halogen, yeah. Here's your light controls. As I do that, they rotate. Oh, see? That one's rotating now.
Oh, the sun's going behind a cloud.
And now you can rotate it on an axis. That's wicked cool, man.
Nice.
Yeah, that's awesome. Now I can say I've operated Engine 2's light tower.